Is this you, Calum?
Mm-mm.
Nod yes if this is you.
What? Not if it's you. Let me try. Not if it's you.
I think it's... Oh,
Not me.
Look at you go!
Let's try to get a base set up before nighttime.
Dude, we watch fucking Luke and the Outdoor Boys. This is perfect for us.
Mm-hmm.
If you press M, you have your GPS, and then it says which day and what time it is.
Also, we can do like we survived 100 days and Sons of the Sun.
We're gonna see this cave. We're gonna be here soon. We're gonna need it. Oh, it's so spooky. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
I choose where we set up base.
Okay. This is scary.
What? Who was that running over there?
That's Kelvin.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. He runs like that. He's just a little silly guy, bro.
Why didn't he just cross normally?
He's a little weirdo. Okay, if you see over there.
The red thing.
What is that? That must be
That's just
spiders.
Mayara.
Oh shit, that's Larry. Larry needs help.
Nah, I'm good.
Larry, can you hear us?
I hear you, man.
Oh no. Larry!
What do you want?
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, there's oysters here. Pick that up. Yum, yum, yum. Larry. Oh my god, Larry, you're alive! Hello, Larry.
Aight. See ya.
Nice. He just dies instantly.
Look, there's a machete right here on the floor. Thank you, Larry. Larry died with a cause. Some noodles. Ooh.
Get down.
What? Is that a grenade? Can we keep him?
Look at Calvin.
Can we? Ow!
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, can we keep him? Pretty please. Oh! Calum, you dirty dog. Didn't even skin him. No, don't kill Kelvin. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, I'll follow you now. Wherever you want the base. I didn't know there's skunks in the game.
There's one here.
Oh yeah, look, moo, or whatever they say. I never saw a skunk. I saw a raccoon, but that's it.
Keep going straight. Wait, shush.
Jesus Christ! What happened here?
That's dead people. Wait, look in the background. There's one of the cannibals crawling around.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Let's see, is there anything useful that these guys have? This guy has a flower crown. Can I take that? No.
Big rock. I got a big rock.
Okay, let's just keep heading this way. I think we need to be close to a forest, but not in the forest. I don't really how is there just a digger here, bro? What?
Oh my god. Calum!
Did you hear that? What? Wait, does it drive? Ow.
Oh yeah, hell yeah!
Get the fuck out of here before I
Get
kill
out.
you.
Get out. You in the driver?
I'll drive.
Okay,
Calvin, get
look
on.
at the bottom now. Look at the bottom, like look at the bottom and then press. Yeah. Oh my god.
Let's just head down the river.
This is so awesome. Wait, no, you're a black Indian man.
Okay.
Oh, look at the waterfall.
This is where we're setting up.
Oh.
We're setting up right here.
Oh, I like this. The
Maybe go
trees,
up a bit. Nah, actually no. I like here. Where this dirt patch is. Right here. Where this big rock is.
Oh my god, it's perfect.
Here.
Kelvin, come here. I'm gonna give you a task, Kelvin. I want you to get logs and drop them right here, okay, Kelvin? Good boy. Kelvin's now gonna go get logs for us.
Let's go get some logs.
Yeah, let's help him out.
I think for now, just as like a starter base, we build like something small that'll keep us safe.
Small log cabin, we can do that.
Yeah, that could work.
Should I place it down right here? Which way do you want
Yeah.
it facing? Like the door should be here, or?
Door facing where we came from.
Oh, okay, so like this, look.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, now we just got logs. Look
Yeah.
at Kelvin!
How do I change what log I'm trying to
Oh
put
no,
on
no,
it?
no, you're gonna have, it's gonna like change automatically. It's gonna be like realistic.
There's a cannibal on me.
He's fine, bro. He's chill. Look, he's a little chill. He has his ass out. He's so chill.
How do I drop the log?
G. Hey, bud. Can we keep him?
No.
He's cute.
We should probably be finishing this before it gets night.
Yeah, we'll get it done.
It'll be close.
This guy's fucking like circling me, bro. When we were at the fucking near the camp, it was at oh shit!
Is he fighting you?
I hit him accidentally. I'm gonna finish the job. Sorry, dude.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they drop skin pouches. They're like fucking mystery boxes, bro.
Ew. I just done the finny. Ew. Get that freaky fucker away from me. Get out and never come back.
Hey! Ooga! It's just ready. Oh! We got dinner. Oh, his friends.
I am not eating that.
Oh, you don't want to turn into cannibal? Okay, I guess I'll go. Oh wait, I have food. Oh, the house is done. Oh, hell yeah. Ow.
Fire.
Blow on me, blow on me. We hurt.
There's water.
That's for pussies. Can we keep him? What the fuck? Someone's a little fucking today. Ooh, eat my spear, bitch. Da, 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 da. Oh, come here. I'm gonna show you another part. Okay, where do you want a window? Do you want a window anywhere in this place?
Here, overlooking that.
You see it? Hover over it, and then whatever log is red, press it. And then you can do the top one or the bottom one. You can do more.
I'll do this one because you're more head high than.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'll just bring this outside. Oh, hi, duck.
Look at Calvin.
Do you see that red smoke over there?
I do. Let's go see. Let's go.
Let's go investigate it.
Maybe it's another Larry.
Maybe.
Hello? What? Hello, Larry. Oh. Took it. Oh, Callum. There's some
Yeah?
good here. There's
I got a grenade.
there's a way better axe here. A modern axe.
What?
He's right in his body.
I see.
Ooh-hoo-hoo.
Let's test out this. Oh, it's so fast.
And there's just so much more damage as well.
Let's carry over this.
We can build a log sled as well. What the fuck? Okay.
I need that meat.
I have so much meat, I killed like 5 raccoons.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. It was like, Hog Rider! Like, it'll be like, weird. Oh, you're stuck. Get out!
I don't mind what way it is, I'll be honest. No, but keep this wall, but keep it like this, and then put a table in there.
Ooh, a little countertop. Look, we can like.
Yeah.
Oh, no, never mind.
Yeah, keep that there. Let's get some log.
That's not how you. That's not how you do it.
No, look, wait. What?
Oh.
What?
What?
What? What am I making?
What just happened? Wait. What? Wait, maybe this. Wait. Oh, no, wait, this won't work if I do it like this. What is happening?
You get me?
So wait. Hello?
Hi. Get the fuck out of here.
Fucking.
He just parried me.
Yeah, you can parry as well. Right click. Oh, you jumped the skin bag. Skin pouch.
No, that's not a skin pouch.
That's him, bro. Oh,
Okay, you know what, that's
there's another dude. But let me try to spear him. Hey, buddy. Catch this. Hey, Callum.
Yeah.
Need a hand?
No, I'm alright. What?
What?
Get the hand away from me.
Bro, why is it doing this?
No, I missed. I actually caught up to it, I just missed.
Callum,
Yeah?
we have a visitor. A weird looking visitor.
I see it. What is that? Go over and see what they want.
Hey, girl.
Wait, she's kind of hot.
She is. Oh,
Why does she have 3 legs?
dude, me, you, and Kelvin foot job.
Okay.
She's 2
Alright,
arms as
buddy.
well.
Load 3 lobe taper fades at the same time.
By the way, that Virginia girl might steal our food.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Can we kill her?
I mean, we can, but she won't respawn. We don't really need her as a companion. We got Kelvin. She doesn't like. All she does is like walk around with us and shoot people.
Yeah, I'd rather just have Calvin.
Yeah, I'm down.
Next time we see her, let's just stab the face over.
I'm fucking down.
I'll build a bit away from the base.
Oh, Callum.
Wait, the bitch is back.
Yeah. Wait.
Take out machete.
I think the axe does more. She's running. She's running quick.
Fucking get her. Come on, you stupid bitch.
Come here, bitch. You just want to talk. She's fucking smart, bro. I mean, she's fucking... She's speed, bro.
Fast.
She has 3 legs. Come here, you bitch.
Yeah, I also have 3 legs, but they don't all work like that.
Oh, dear. Oh. I think she's gone.
No, she's in front of me.
She is?
Yeah, but like, she's way faster than me.
Yeah. Maybe we should gain her trust and then fucking kill her, bro.
That actually could be smart.
We have to do it. I got blueberry seeds. We can plant some blueberries.
She's back.
She is? Wait, don't
Sure.
go up to her. Just like...
I'm not. I'm going to put the wood into
You
the
do it.
planter.
I'll like try to gain her trust. It's okay. It's okay.
Wait, there's another person behind her. Who is that?
He's late for work, bro.
See you around.
Yeah, she's gone. I mean, if she keeps getting scared, then we won't have to see her titties. So that's good.
That's a fair point.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna plant the yarrow.
Yeah, not the arrow. Okay, wait. I'm gonna let her just come up to me. Don't spook her off.
Use your Riz, Chris Pepper.
Hey, girl. Hey. You come here often? It's okay. It's okay, girl. It's okay. Oh, she sat.
Peter Pass.
Ready? 3,
Wait.
2. She's cleaning her toes right now. Are you ready? 3,
Wait.
2. Oh, she stood up, bro.
What is that?
Nice one, Calum. Your wrist always works.
Stay around.
That's a half. That's...
Yeah, you're a little midget.
Don't scare her.
That was you.
That was me. She's going back. Look at the house. It's like a castle.
It is. Are we able to make a sign?
No.
Did you see the way I walked? I went like this, look. I went like this, look. Let's start slapping. I bet it's still warm.
What are you doing?
Oh, I know you like that bum. Oh.
Oh my god, she loves it. But the whole reason, like, we were helicoptering over this island is we were looking for 3 missing people and she was one of them.
Which actually?
Yeah, like, you know when you start off, did you get the thingy as
Yeah.
well? Yeah, we're like looking through the computers. Yeah, the computer.
Oh yeah, and the guy with the beard.
Yeah, there was 3 people. It was like something Puffton. This is Virginia Puffton. Oh no. Look at her face!
How much you happy with our base?
Yeah.
Come on,
I'm scared.
we'll suss it out.
What if they're just normal humans trying to live like
Yeah.
us?
Definitely ain't normal humans, bro.
Oh shit. Hello? Oh, they got... Hello? Oh shit. I think he sees us. Sorry. Oh, there's a golden... Oh my god!
You get off him. Bro, he's giving us the bottom treatment.
Oh my god! Heal! I need to heal. He just punched me so fucking hard.
Run!
What? I'm healing! Oh.
Did he kill you?
He harassed me. I got bopped. Don't die. Oh my god, thank you.
I scared him
I
off.
need to run and heal. Again, my fucking heals, bro.
I don't think it's worth it.
What are you talking about? I'm making a spear, wait.
Okay. How do I do that?
Right click 2 sticks, 1 duct tape, and your knife.
I don't even got a stick.
You don't have a stick?
I'll be the brute.
Wait, these guys are tied up. Oh, look at them.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, look at this guy though.
Fucking kill him, stupid cunt. Fucking
What about this guy?
There's too much. It's right the ankle.
Oh look, there's a spear right here for you. Pick up my spear. Pick up my spear. Actually, I picked one up. There's someone on the floor. Just don't shoot me. Look, you can actually spare them and they'll run away if they're begging for mercy.
Nope.
Oh, there's more. That's a whole spear guy.
Christian, there's a guy with a bow and arrow in the distance. Or
What?
upstairs. Bro, I have the back of a fucking bike or something.
That's the fucking Segway. We need that, bro. I didn't know they just spawned in camps. Okay, wait. Let's spear this guy. Ready? See that guy?
I don't know. Here, give me a
Pick up,
second.
pick up, pick up.
Yeah.
Wait, where? You just
Where's
did a
he?
Batman, bro. What the fuck? Do you think we can take this guy on? Do you think we can take this guy on?
Christian! Christian! No, Christian.
Oh my god.
I'm safe.
Are you okay?
I see him. Let's give him the bop treatment.
Get back up here, get back up
The
here.
drive-by.
The drive-by. Where is he? He did a Batman again.
What? Oh, he's over here. I see
Oh,
him.
I see him. He's so
Bop
far.
treatment. Bop trip. This shirt could stop getting stuck. Come here, you stupid shit.
Hey, hey.
Ow!
Oh, Grand Theft Auto, bitch.
Oh!
Let's kill this guy. Let's kill this fingery guy. Do you think we can?
Where is he? Finger guy.
Yeah. Oh wait, I'm gonna combine high explosives with a circuit board and duct tape, a wire, a watch. Oh, I don't have coins. There's 2.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, grenade his ass. Grenade his ass. Wait, move these. Move
How do I
these.
get off?
Move these.
How do I get off?
Double space. Okay. Are you ready to grenade him?
Let me see if I have a grenade.
If you don't, I'll give you one.
Where is it? Is it far left or something?
No, it's at the top, the black suitcase.
Yeah, I have one.
Okay, we're gonna have to cook it a little bit, okay? Or wait,
Mhm.
oh, I don't know. Actually, you just do it, and then I'll do it if it doesn't kill him. Oh, he cummed everywhere. Here, let's skin him.
Eliminated.
Skin him. Oh yeah, eliminated.
Yeah. I got a fanny flap. Creepy armor.
That's the best armor in the game, I think. Here, get your Segway and let's roll.
I just got crunchy onesies. Let's get out of here.
Ow!
This game is so goofy, bro. Bro, what the? We're on day 3 and our base looks like this.
Bro, I know. Here, I think I'm gonna have to move the radio.
Is your base this good or not?
I mean, I've done more exploring than making my base.
Yeah, that's true.
Here, where should I put the? Oh wait. Can I?
Yeah.
Wait.
Maybe. Oh! Yes!
I'll put my radio on there. You can put snacks as well.
Crunchy onesies.
Crunchy munchies for everyone.
Rotten oysters.
Right, take them out, bro.
No, it's just for design.
I'm taking them. Here, I'll put.
What about the crunchy bird? Bird took out a jetpack. What am I looking
No.
at?
Here, I'll put some vodka. I'll put a grenade.
Oh.
No, I won't.
I
put
had
a
2
grenade.
bottles of vodka.
Oh, now you have 3.
I have your bottles.
Oh shit, my bad. I took your.
Did you take my energy drink?
I did. I'll put it back. I'm just gonna put this here. Okay. I don't want the fucking thingy to like bounce. There we go. Look at that. Oh, we need
That's
some
good.
light. We need some light. Let me build a little.
You got some veiny ass hands, bro.
What character am I? How do I look?
You're like. I don't know if you're white or brown, but you're like white.
You're a brown Indian.
You're white.
Oh
You
yes.
look like really American.
Oh, yeah. You look. Yeah.
Do I look like a ring a ding a ding a ding
Yeah,
a
you
ding?
do. We can make traps for them. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let me build.
I'm just happy we got the segues.
Yeah.
Oh, Calum's just sitting outside.
Ooh.
Do you have a light source now?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. It's nice and cozy.
Look at that. Wait. Ah,
Hell yeah.
what a
I
way
fuck
to
with
end
this
it
house.
Yeah, this house is really good. Then save when you wake up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nah.
We're
What?
getting jumped.
Are we actually?
Yeah. Oh shit! Bunga! Oh my god.
Oh no, we are getting jumped.
I think it's because we raided their camp to get revenge. I have a spear inside of me. Oh my god! This guy's aim! I'm gonna die.
Come on, quickly go to sleep. We killed all of them.
Did we?
Yeah.
Yeah, go sleep.
I'm
go
not
sleep, go
joking.
sleep, go sleep.
I killed like 4, bro.
Yeah, bro, I think.
I think he just tanked all the damage while I hit them.
Bro, he's fucking speared me, bro. His aim. Oh, there we go.
I didn't get hit once, but I think I killed every single one of them.
Jesus, here, save.
No, you got one. You got one.
Here, we're gonna need to burn their bodies for bone, so we can make armor.
Yeah.
Oh! Hello?
Yeah?
We're getting rescued!
By who?
Look up! We're getting rescued!
What?
We're over here!
Is that actually what that's for?
We're over here!
I don't want to be rescued. I like it down there.
Come down! Oh,
What are they looking for?
I don't know. We can actually see them landing, and then it's like a point of interest, and then they just like as soon as you get close, they just take off. They're like teasing you.
They are.
We can build. Oh, there's so much spears on the floor.
Oh yeah, it is.
Calum, can I eat this food?
God.
I'll take it. I ate it! No! I'm a cannibal.
I'm actually so hungry and thirsty.
Oh, because the hand is appetizing.
Yeah, that's true.
By the way, if you chop up a cannibal and get his head, you can actually pick it up and scare the others with it.
That's actually sick.
Wait. Look how sick this is!
What is that even meant to be?
I don't know!
Wait.
I don't know if you can put it on top of this, but if you want, you can take this off and then...
Yeah, wait, take that off for a second.
Right.
Yeah, just have the middle one be longer and then try put that in. What is this even meant to be?
Bro, I don't know!
Alright. I'm not even gonna fill them out. I'm probably just gonna save, log off.
Yeah. Okay, let's save and then...
Okay, I saved. To be fair, we got a shit ton done in what day is it? For like 4.
Yeah, it's 4, day 4.
Yeah, day 4 and we got a shit ton done.
Yeah.
We have a rack for like everything we need. 2 segways and a decent axe.
Let's look in the map. There's a little orange thing.
Where?
I forgot what that is.
Oh yeah. Let's check it out tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
It's
the
not-
purple one.
I don't think it's a maintenance cave. Oh.
I'm gonna quit.